How to change email address on Amazon. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow. Now let's not waste any more time and head to the video. So most of the times people want to keep their Amazon Prime account and their Amazon account separate, so they change the email. So if you are one of them, you can, it's a very simple method. Click on the menu bar here once you open the app, and here you'll find an option of account. Click on that, and here you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on login and security. Once you click on login and security, there you'll find an option of email. I have currently not added my email, but in your page it will show an option of edit, and then you have to click on edit. And once you click on that, a screen will open where they will ask you to verify, and they'll ask you a password. And once you fill that details of your password, you'll be able to reset your new email address like this, and you'll be able to change your email address on the Amazon account. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.